One morning in March I was digging the land, with me brogues on me feet and me spade in me hand, and says I to myself, such a pity to see such a fine strapping lad footing turf round Tralee with me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. So I buttered me brogues, shook hands with me spade, then went off to the fair like a dashing young blade. When up comes the sergeant, he asked me to list. Got a sergeant a graw, stick a bob in me fist, with me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. Well, the first thing they gave me, it was a red coat with a white strap of leather for the tie round me throat. They gave me a queer thing, I asked what was that, and they told me it was a cockade for me hat. With me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. Well, the next thing they gave me, they called it a gun, with powder and shot and a place for me thumb. Well, first she spat fire and then she spat smoke. She gave a great leap on me shoulder near broke. With me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. Well, the first place they sent me was down by the quay, on board of a warship bound for the Crimea. 3 sticks in the middle, all rolled round with sheet, made you walk on the water without any feet. With me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. When at Balaclava we landed quite sound, both cold, wet and hungry we lay on the ground. Next morning for action the bugle did call, and we had a hot breakfast of powder and ball. With me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. Well, we fought at the Alma, likewise in Kerman, and the Russians they whaled us at the Redan. In scaling the walls, then myself lost an eye, and a big Russian bullet she ran away with me toy. With me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. 'Twas there we lay bleeding, stretched on the cold ground. Both heads, legs and arms were all scattered around. I thought of me mam, and me clavins were nigh. Should they bury me dacent and raise a loud cry? With me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya. Well, a doctor was called, and he soon staunched me blood, and they gave me a fine, elegant leg made of wood. They gave me a medal and 10 a day. Contented with Sheila, I live on half pay. With me touring minya, with me touring minya, with me touring minya.